Hi student. Today we are going to learn about chapter 9. Okay, so chapter 9 is about space and technology, and this is something new, new syllabus, new chapter. It is new to me as well. So usually when something is new, then it's not easy to teach, but it is something that I really like to, and I think who knows, this chapter is impacted by Elon Musk. Before Elon Musk make all this thing is not really that important, and now they add it in, showing that maybe it's the impact of Elon Musk, and that's why they teach about satellite. Okay, usually they teach about planet rather than satellite, so there is something that changed in the syllabus. Okay, so we have studied satellite, we have studied GPS system, and it is something that is really new during my time. When you are born with phone, during my generation we are not born with phone. Phone is only for rich people. Only phone is something that GPS is something that we watch in a Batman car, when I see Batman car, watch Batman movie, then turn left, turn right, and I thought, wow, this is just in the movie, it won't be in reality. But today everyone like got a Batman car. You just put a phone, turn left, turn right. This is really amazing, it's really like Batman car. Yeah, so I'm truly amazed with the technology that we are in now. So at here we also have the new breakthrough in 5G. 5G is really a breakthrough. You know how fast is 5G? During my time, is we are using the modem, it's called the telephone modem. So the speed is around 56k. 56k I think is 0.05 MB, somewhere around that lah. Your speed internet, when you go to Unify, you buy 130 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 200. During my time, the internet is 0.05 Mbps, and we consider that fast. And now with 5G, I use my phone is Xiaomi phone, and it can reach 5G now got connection Wi-Fi, got two things, right? One is the 3G and one is the 5G, and I got tried before in my house. I can't believe I reached the speed test. I reached 300 Mbps. So I am surprised. Why? I don't know whether you know what I'm talking about. 300 Mbps. Or teacher, what you are talking about? 300 Mbps. 300 Mbps is a speed that you really want when you are playing game. That is the thing that you really want. It is very fast. I would say 300 MB per second. So if you want to download a movie, let's say like the speed is 300 Mbps, the movie is usually 2 GB lah. So it will take around 10 20 seconds to finish the movie. But of course you don't get the movie download that fast, because it's not the speed of internet doesn't mean the speed of the server. I don't know what you understand what I'm talking about now. Later you thought I'm talking about the alien language. The server, the speed of the server, just my internet fast doesn't mean I want to get information from the server is fast. So it takes time to download something. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so there are a few things you want to learn. Okay, the internet, the server, 3G, 4G, 5G, and then the internet connection speed, and so on. So this is something that really impacted the society nowadays. Okay, it really impacted us, and the society and technology is developing very fast. Wait, let me adjust this camera. I can't believe, who knows, in the future there are 6G, 7G, 8G, and now the highest commodity is not oil. Last time is oil, so people are fighting to get oil. Dubai, Arab is one of the countries that rich of oil, but now they are concerned because oil is no longer the highest commodity. The highest commodity is data. So we can see the richest company is Facebook, Google, where they get all the data, and then we can see throughout the history, then China start to be afraid, not be afraid lah, will be caught by this, then they start to start their own Google in China as well lah, Weixin lah, and then got China TikTok lah, got China WeChat. They got their own thing because they want to control their data, and they don't want other country to control, because whichever country that control the data eventually can control the world. So we can see even from China, US, and no matter what country lah, they also try to control other people data. More data means more power, and is what a big country do. Even in business also in business also, I like to get my consumer and customer data and your data, like you're watching, I also want to get the data. I see what video, what day people are watching, what content people are watching, and it will help. Okay, so with more data, it will really it help a lot in doing a lot of things. Without data means many things cannot do, so we pay a lot of money to get the data. Okay, and yeah, satellite. What is a satellite? Okay, satellite is an object which orbit the planet. So moon is a natural satellite. Okay, so we call moon a natural satellite. Moon also natural satellite? Yes, actually moon is called the natural satellite. So how many natural satellite we have? One only. Don't say two. We only have one natural satellite, which is called the moon. Then we have man-made satellite. Then we got a lot. We can see one is high, HOE, one is low, LOE, and one is MEO, pula. Okay, MEO for the height of the satellite. Okay, and we also have GSO. Okay, geosynchronizes orbit. So why is it called geosynchronizers? Because geo means is like geostationary. Okay, synchronized means it will always at the same spot, usually used for scientists to monitor the weather. So as the earth move, it will continue to move at the same speed, at the same spot. So wherever you get, you still get back the same spot, so you can study further the weather, the atmosphere, the ocean, and continue to track. Okay, so this is one of it. So there are many satellites. Okay, let's see its orbit. Some is perfectly circular, some is elliptical. Okay, and we also have apogee and perigee. So we can see that apogee is a satellite in the elliptical portion, and the portion in the satellite is the furthest, so it's the most far. How about perigee? Perigee means it is the nearest. So this satellite is actually moving with the nearest distance to the Earth. Relationship between orbital height and satellite velocity. So which one move faster, perigee or apogee? But if you know your mathematics, if you are further away, then you are moving faster. So let's see speed. So we can see that the speed for HEO, high one, medium one, and low one. Okay, low one is the speed is 27,000 km per hour, 13,000 per hour, and 11,000 km per hour. Okay, sorry, for the satellite, the lower is it, the higher the speed, and the higher is it, the lower the speed. So if it is nearer to the Earth, then the speed is higher. But won't we think like, is it higher, then you need to use more speed? Or like you are running in the Olympic ring, for example, the one that further from the center actually need to run more. So even for car racing, you tend to use the curve because the curve is the shortest distance. But why But why this one, the nearer to the Earth, is the higher the speed? This because due to what? Due to gravitation force in the satellite decrease when the orbital height in the satellite increase. Means the further you go, the less speed you have. The nearer you are, the more speed you are in. One of the reasons because due to gravitational pull, like a rocket, like a asteroid. Okay, before the asteroid crash landing on Earth, at first the satellite, the comet, okay, the stone asteroid will move slow, and as it go nearer to the Earth, then it will start to move very fast, then start to got fire and boom, explode on the Earth. But if far, it will be slow because the Earth didn't pull the comet. Okay, so let's say this is the Earth. Let's say this is the Earth, and I'm putting one comet here. So this comet is going to fall on Earth, and also putting one comet here. So which one will move faster? So eventually this A comet is moving faster because it's nearer to the Earth, and the Earth gravity pull it. This one will be more slow because as you travel further away, therefore the speed for it to be pulled to the Earth will be lesser, okay, due to the gravitational force. Okay, so that's it. But it depends on, but you cannot use the definition of like it's like a person standing here. So if you are further away, then you are faster. So this one assume if, how to say this, this one is assuming if you are calculating there is central point, there is a map, but in a space there is no, right, in a space if there is no gravity and it is stationary, then we consider that thing is not moving because there is no gravitational pull that is pulling that object, so the speed is low. So it depends on that lah. So I hope you understand. Okay, the further away it will be the more slow, more near to the Earth is faster. So this one is higher, this one is lower. Okay, what will happen to the satellite moving in the fixed orbit if its speed reduced too much? So if you either increase or reduce it, then the satellite will go away lah. Either go away or come back to Earth to disappear. I say disappear because when you're coming in, there is a fire that burn your rocket. So probably maybe before the stone or the comet hit on the Earth, the thing already burn finish. So that's why I say disappear. Okay, yeah, so we need to put the thing into the proper orbit, and this is example of a car that they're also orbiting the Earth. Okay, and you know the Elon Musk is the Tesla company. Elon Musk is the first person that ever want to take a car to orbit the Earth. I do not know why, but I don't know, it's still something fun. And you even can watch this live now. There's a camera at here. I will put the link below, or you just go YouTube, type space car, and you look at the live video. And even now as I'm talking, you can click the link below and watch the what car is this, the space car, which is very beautiful. When you see it, you can look back the Earth. Okay, and then we move on, launch and placement of satellite into the orbit, and we can see how the rocket is launched. Okay, so launch vehicle which are made up of one or more rockets are used to send satellite or spacecraft into the outer space. Figure 9.5 show two ways how a satellite is launched. So we can see either we can have ELV and RLV. Wow, but is it the same? Both also is rocket, but actually this one is if you fly off, you cannot, you plan not to come back already. Okay, you might can come back, but it is not recyclable. Means your come back only with your pot only. You know the pot lah, means the small thing lah. Okay, the small thing, because you can see all this thing is used for the fuel, and maybe the thing that come up is only the comeback is only the top part white color only, the small part only, and then this all thing will throw away lah, maybe throw in the space lah. And then you might think, right, throw means waste, but it's like that lah. If you don't throw, then you cannot fly off. Okay, so this is the thing that you can fly up, but this thing you throw away, this one need to throw away because this is the fuel. This one cannot use this one, but this one can use. Okay, so this one you can come back on the earth. Okay, so we have two. Okay, which is called the expendable launch vehicle. That's why we call it, this one is RLV, which is reusable. You can reuse this ship, but this one is the fuel lah, the hydrogen fuel, and it will be thrown away. So they need to carry maybe one you carry hydrogen, maybe last time if I'm not mistaken, one you carry with oxygen. So you carry, because up there don't have oxygen, you cannot burn. So you need to carry hydrogen and you carry oxygen for it to burn. Then you can move up, and you need to carry a lot. That's why you can see the fuel is a lot. You need to carry a lot of fuel to go up in order to for it to burn. But nowadays rocket, even for like Elon Musk's fuel, they are not using hydrogen fuel. I think they are using methane, liquid methane, using methane and oxygen rather than hydrogen. They are using methane. And what is more powerful in the rocket is it can go up 100% and come down 100%. So maybe we can have a look at YouTube and see how this rocket launch is a new breakthrough in terms of human technology. So let's have a look. So we can see like this is just a YouTube, and for example we can see this rocket, SpaceX rocket, and so it will be launched, and there's no launch is something that we already know lah, but landing is different. Landing is let's see how the rocket land. So
and we have ignition.
Yeah, so it's something.
Starship heading back to the landing zone.
Yeah, so there's something new lah, in the video we can see that the rocket land back on Earth and 100% and it didn't crash, didn't spoil. So this is something new. The technology is something new and it's a breakthrough. That's why he becomes so rich because you did something that human never thought that we are able to do. So yeah, it's something, a breakthrough that people see from the highest price in the market is the oil. Last time is getah. You got study history, you know. Last time is getah, kopi, chocolate. Then the price, all the market price go to maybe transportation, and then go to metal for industrial revolution, revolution pedestrian, okay, industrial revolution. Then it goes to mining, go to data like we have Facebook, and now who knows the future money will go to the space technology, because maybe people will invest in it so that people can go to moon for vacation. So people no longer want to go to Hawaii or don't want to go to Japan for vacation. People want to go to I want to go to the moon. One day when you find a girlfriend or boyfriend, then your girlfriend say, I don't want to go to China, I want to go to the moon. So make sure you save a lot of money for your girlfriend to bring your girlfriend go to moon or Mars. So with this rocket that just now you watched, it's possible that we can go to space and we can come back. Haven't finished there's still a lot of research to be done, but now technology develop very fast. Who knows, maybe the next 10 years you can, if you got money, you can buy yourself a ticket to the moon. Okay, hopefully everything is safe. Okay, the ISS and a lot more. So I think I will cover more of this in the next video. So I teach until here. Thank you and bye bye.